Hello everyone and welcome into another blending live stream. Hi there, Happy. You know what? I do like the sound of that blending. I should refer to it as blending. And hi there, X7. Hi, welcome everyone. Welcome into yet another blender live stream. Oh, actually, this one will be more about editing. And a bit of Blender and a bit of script writing too. I'm feeling weak. Why am I feeling so weak every now and then? Ah, there we go. Okay, so what's popping? Hi, the ninja. Hi. What's popping is this video. Oh, whoops. What just happened? Why my Blender just turned off? I mean, Premiere. That's not Blender. That's Premiere. Only Premiere has the power to instant crash like this. And a little bit of finals if we get tired. Oh, you know me so well. Finals is a very exciting game, so I just use it every now and then to kickstart myself. It's like caffeine, except I imported the wrong thing. Hold on. Import right here for the physics intro frames. Did I render the whole intro? No, I didn't. Damn it. Why am I like this? Oh yeah, my PC crashed, I remember. I mean, it didn't crash, it was crashing. Really? And then I just had to... Yeah, that looks good. In 7 dimensions. Really? That looks pretty good, I would say. That's Blender 4.0, damn it! Still no 20k, yeah, still no 20k. I'm actually losing subscribers net. People don't care about my most recent videos. They're not good enough. I mean, is it really that surprising that I'm not getting 20k? Like, the energy video and the sulfuric bucket video, both of these videos combined have less than 3,000 views. They're really low on views. Let me show you. Look at this. Less than 3,000. Hi, the Garmari. Welcome. So yeah, that's why I was so... Well, I wouldn't say pessimistic, but realistic actually, since I was right, I can say that. Realistic about me getting 20,000 subscribers. Because really not going up in the past couple of days. Every now and then one of my videos just gets... I don't know what to call it. Just the algorithm blesses it with views. And that's when I actually gain subscribers. So we just have to wait for that, and then it's gonna get me from 19,000 straight to 30,000. Anyhow, maybe this video will be good enough. Really, right at the beginning of the video, starting with force, which is a measure of how hard you basically pushing on something. But for our purposes, we need to quantify it. So, how would we quantify it? Well, when you have a cube like this, we kilograms per second, so we just 1 meter per force 1 Newton. We'll stop it after a second. Apply force Newton again, it's going back after a second. Sick. I am more interested in math than chemistry. You mean that's why you didn't watch the energy video or the sulfuric bucket video? Have you seen the electron video? The line of chemistry is blurry. It's so unbelievably blurry. Random suppose video, get lucky and we'll get 10 new views. That's kind of off the meta. I have a channel for that. I have a channel for shitposts. So maybe there we'll get our 1,000,000 subscribers. Okay. Music, that's what we're missing. Oh my goodness, that's why I feel so dry. That makes sense. I was wondering why this last stream was so off. Done. Multiple files. There we go. The line between chemistry and physics is very blurry. The line between physics and math is also very blurry because, well, the main usage of math is most of the time either like analytics or analyzing stuff or physics. So make a charity streams with this channel. I haven't really merged it, I suppose, because that channel is just for gaming. Oh, and also the shitpost channel, no, that's not charity streams, no. Yes, there is MK charity stream, but this is the shitpost channel. Where I'm shitposting actually quite often. The most recent two are from... This one was an hour ago. My chemistry cleanup. Beloved chemistry cleanup. Alright. You quantify a bit, so how do you quantify it? Well, you have a cube like this, weighing 1 kilogram, going 1 meter per second, for each second per second, you boy well did that. Okay, here's an idea for this animation then. We need another blender. I just need to work a bit harder and make some more videos, you know? That's it. And then it will be just fine. Oh, damn you. It's alpha, isn't it? There we go. I mean them as companies, so when a channel is not needed, you remove it. Oh no, I would never. I would never remove my beloved channels. Oh, that's such a much better reflection! Oh, that is a good material. Oh, that's such a phenomenal material. That's brilliant. Or maybe I'm just high. Either one is possible. So, I don't know if we should be using this all the time because, well, it might be a bit much. But let's take this. So starting with force, right there, that's... Right at the beginning of the video, so 5, 8. So starting with force, 6, so that's 34 frames. I know from 0 to 34, but still, that's good enough. And you'll be higher up. A bit lower, and what's your rotation? How am I supposed to represent its mass? Right, you are no longer needed. To material, draw 2. Got it. I really like these reflections. We will add some more light, I feel like. Could just move these away, but no. Physics in 7 dimensions. This one seems pretty interesting. Yes, yes. I really do like the idea for this video because I've already tried making a video like this twice. Or maybe thrice even? Basically, people misunderstand how dimensions work. And I really want to make it clear. I really do. I really do want to clear up everything. Let's bring you higher up. Let's bring you higher up. There, and then right under it we will want geometry nodes. This one will be a bit annoying, but it will be the perfect example of how to crash Blender. Really? Come on, mate. Why? What did I do? Alright, I think we have to pull the plug. Too many particles probably. No, I think it was just trying to move off stuff. Okay, when was the last time I saved? Okay, you in the air, you in the air. That's great, that's good. That's good, that's what we want. Is it? Right at the beginning of the video. So starting with force, which is a measure of how hard you're basically pushing on something. But for our purposes, we need to quantify. Yes, actually that's it. Quantify it a bit. So how would we quantify force? Well, when you have a cube like this with a mass of 1 kilogram. Let's move them a bit further up. It's going to fall. Oh, this texture is really nice. Look at this. I mean, that's professional. Why don't I use it more often? Oh yeah, because it's in 8K and it's gonna take hours to render. That's intro dimensional frames. 0. There. Hey, that white screen, it's annoying. Okay. Now. Yeah, this actually already looks like a thumbnail, doesn't it? There, we got our first thumbnail already. We're right at the beginning of the video. Festive. I like it. Because then it's really far away from clickbait. People just, you know, click on the video and it's right there, the animation. Okay. Where did we finish by the scripting? That's right. Why is time a dimension? In your place, I would have called the 7. I would have too, but then it's merging together the cube and the physics one. And then you get this sort of visual soup, where you're dividing the white with the blue instead of the blue with the white. So basically, the teal, I suppose it's not blue, it's teal. The teal color becomes the majority color, and you know, the physics 7 and the cube no longer become the things we want to accent, only they become the basis. And then the accented part would be let's do in dimensions. That would be the accented part then. I might make the 7 brighter maybe. That's why I wanted to change the font to make it again. Oh, never mind. Yeah, the name of the video will probably just be physics in 7 dimensions. It feels off. Isn't it? Whoa, why? Call space time 4-dimensional. But it actually makes a lot of sense. Yes. This. Alright everyone, we are going to physics in 69 dimension. Professor said their students who start snickering. The more forwards we are on, number, the more backwards, the lower. Second number. And this for the third one. And we can see that its position is, I think it's position. Oh, I'm like Shakespeare basically. I think clickbait should be called rage bait. Oh, that is a good name. Do you have a job? Yeah, I'm a CGI artist. Yeah, yeah. I make stuff like, well, not stuff like these. Ah, this is beautiful. We're starting the video with render, which is nice. By the way, right here we have 8 pages. When it comes to our energy video, the energy video had... The energy video had 14. So this might be longer than I'm expecting. Oh boy, this will probably end up being longer than I expected. Originally I thought it would be just an 8-minute long video. YouTuber and artist. I wouldn't call myself an artist. Is that CGI? Well, CGI artist is the only way I can... No, it's the only word I know for it. I make CGI stuff, as in computer generated images. So 3D. I do 3D stuff. I just call not. I don't feel like I'm an artist actually. I don't think there's anything artistic about what I do. Obvious. That's because it is. But you got a PhD in something, right? Or am I mistaken? Oh no, no I don't. I just I do get that quite a bit, but no, I'm not. I've met a lot of people who actually study physics and chemistry. Well, Flame, for example. Flame already got masters, if I remember correct. Oh, bachelors? One of them, one of the two. Either bachelors or masters when it comes to chemistry. And boy, they know a lot. So, no, I don't have a PhD. I'm nowhere near a PhD level. I just know stuff because, well, I research for videos. And I like tinkering, too. That's a whole separate thing. you know, building bombs and I mean, sulfuric acid and stuff. How am I supposed to represent the volume actually? Because plane is simple enough, that's just like a mesh. I guess we'll have to rotate the mesh and then just array it. Yeah, that's a good idea. I saw the energy video today. It was pretty cool, but it's a shame that I can't just close my eyes and imagine the things you say to imagine something. The video's good though. I always imagined you having like a PhD in chemistry with all these videos. It's actually kind of cool that you don't and you do all this. I haven't done much chemistry wise. I mean, okay, the most advanced chemistry video I've made so far was the electron video, which I really like. I like a lot. I really like the electron video. Make it third line feels off, doesn't it? What do you mean? The cost based on dimension, but it actually makes a little sense. You mean this one? You mean this line? Oh, off, doesn't it? You mean this one? I see. Paint button. But when it comes to the electron video, Flame did help me. Well, Flame, I have a lot of experts around me, and I really often research for videos on stream. I do it a lot. Or at least I used to do it a lot. We might get back to that soon because we will have to research quantum relativity for another video. I really want to make a video about advanced physics, like actual, honest Lord advanced physics. And the main meat and potatoes of the video will be relativity and quantum relativity. So that one will be difficult. But the electron so far is the most advanced I've made when it comes to chemistry wise, but it's not all that advanced. Intimate interaction in your videos and streams. Well, I thank you for, well, you're welcome, and I thank you, I feel appreciated now. Thank you, that's wholesome, I like it. Hold on. I'm having trouble breathing. Again. It's the beginning of the stream. And I'm thinking if it's because I finally cleaned up my sulfuric acid mess today, which is good. That's good. And also I've made not a make it mask, but I glued it together using cyanoacrylic glue. Just super glue basically. The problem is it does have cyanide in it, so... Oh, at least like something pretty similar. Move on the plane. What am I even writing? If it's a two-dimensional book, can you move on the plane? On the plane. Up and down, left and right. There is no third dimension. There is no spatial third dimension. Example. Also our time. this axis, and will have its own animation, which will go on for seconds. There, that's the animation. Now this is cool and all, but what if we... I'm using the triple dot. What if we wanted to visualize the once? I think in the bold example use third one twice. Yeah, my scripting is a mess. Axis, this axis, and lava. Make it benefits of a small community is that you don't get a lot of people judging or removing the idea. You get a small cult-like following. Benefit of a small community. It's like a cult. That is nice. I don't think it's a small community in this case. I just think it's a nice community. We do from now, you know, now and then get some odd personalities, but I feel like it's more about actually knowing people. Hey, if time is really a dimension, as all these big boards say, if we can wormhole from one position to another in 3 dimensions, shouldn't it be possible to wormhole through time? Well, Ashad, just wait till I get to the what are models and why is time different chapter, and then I'll be more than happy to explain. Animation all at once. And right here's the switch in music, if I do remember correctly, to like highly energetic from the slow ending, so I'm gonna make this a bit quieter. And never mind. I missed the spot! The odd personalities are like those comic relief characters, they might get overboard and they get cut out of the story, yeah. I just figured out, come on, if you do 520 minus 100, you get 420. That's a great math fun fact. Wow. We could take the first frame and overlay the second. 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 I'm leaving this in. You should write a thesis on it. 520 minus 100. Wait, Tilly, is 520 minus 100 really 420? Prove it. I don't believe you. The third instead of the first. Wait, what? The second number, the third one. Oh, these represent the third number. Oh, you are absolutely right. Thank you. I'm not writing it for anyone else, by the way. So, like, these errors will be minor. Actually, we might record it today. But for that, I'd really prefer to finish the script. If I do it in a single recording, it's more coherent. Chernobyl in the second. Up. third second, even higher. Fourth second and fifth second. What we're doing here is we're taking the first dimension, and this is a bit of a misnomer because it's not really first dimension. Yeah, I still appreciate it because I would have my. Am I having a stroke? What's wrong with me? Give me a second. Okay, there. First cup done. Now make it. Unlock your true linguistic powers. Still, I still appreciate you catching that error because if that error were to went unnoticed, then when recording, I would have just probably stopped there and had to re-record the segment. It would have just taken me a bit of time. Is we're taking the first dimension, and you should drink some water, make it. You know what? I will. Tastes like nothing. It doesn't, actually. It's water. Let me just do with the first dimension. Turn it into a number, like a 3 in this case, and then use the first spatial dimension to represent it. Second one, turn into a number and use the second spatial dimension to represent it. Then we take time, turn it into a number, and use the third spatial dimension to That's why time. Drink sulfuric acid. And bitter taste coffee is not bitter. Nice life hack for all of you. When you're in the shops, I would recommend buy lactose-free milk. It's basically in lactose-free milk. It's not really lactose-free as in they remove the lactose. They just break it down into... I don't remember what. I remember lactose basically gets broken down, and because of that, lactose-free milk is sweeter, and so if you add it to coffee, you don't actually need to sweeten up anymore. It's not sweet, but it's less bitter. And also lactose-free milk, at least in my case, where I shop, it's like 10 cents, 5 cents more expensive. It's the same exact price range. Each milk carton is less than $1, so... The difference between lactose-free and normal milk, there's practically no difference. New position of the object. Position. Tricky. Specify. Not where it is, but also when it is. Coordinates. Into the function are just numbers. Numbers. That's it. That's why space-time is 4-dimensional. It's because if you want to describe the position of this ball, you have to specify how far to the right it is, how far forward it is, how far up it is and how far into the future it is. During my life I thought that all 7 SI units could have their own dimensions, like length and time. Never really found anything confirming or denying this. I think there is something called like dimensionality for units. I never bothered to get into it because I don't like the SI system anymore. I don't like the SI units. I like the SI system. I don't like the SI units. SI units suck. They're awful. They're awful. They're all defined based on random arbitrary constants. And like, yeah, I get why these constants will be arbitrary, but if you're going for arbitrary constants, why wouldn't you make them something useful? Or make like an alternative set of constants which are simpler. Jeez, I'm at war with the SI system. It's not really a war, nor is it really a rebellion. It's like an old man yelling at a cloud. Wait, use imperial metric. Neither! Both suck! They both suck! Metric is better, but still sucks. For goodness sake, why would you define... First of all, why is mol a thing? Mol shouldn't be a thing. Mol should very much not be a thing. Second of all... Oh, I'm getting started with this, aren't I? Planck units for the win. No, Planck units still are awful. It's just that, you know, when it goes to metric... What upsets me the most with metric is two things. First of all, mol is a unit. It shouldn't be. Mol is not a unit. Mol is not a unit, never will be, never shall be. Second of all, the constants. They suck. They're awful. I don't know who thought that defining these... They're not. They're awful. Fun fact, Minecraft teaches you base 64. So does Blender, actually. That's because, I don't know if you know this, but when it goes to all of these, all this rendered, so this would be a perfect example. When I'm setting, no, this one's rendering. When I'm setting the samples, for example, this is 256, which is base 2. Default is 4096. That's the default. I always divide by 8. 16. More reasonable. How are we looking, by the way? Why so small? I've had the nickel for every single time. I had that before, am I right? And also this is glitching, but oh well, happens. Not really, not much I can do there. Frame 9. Yes, we still have time, we still can script some more. Future it is. The future it is. But those can be specified with a single number. Or was represented with a single. And here's the dramatic switch in music, right? There we go. Guitar EDM. Single 4-dimensional vector. By the way, happy. I don't know what's happening with it recently, but I like it. I really like your character development. I really do. For some reason I'm making it furiously shaking his head to the music. EDM? What? Who in the right mind would furiously shake their head to EDM? Well, quite a lot of people actually. No, I'm not really a head shaker, I'm more of a singer myself. Singer and a viber. This These are special, not special, spatial. This is temporal. Sing for me, make it. And listen, just because I'm a singer doesn't mean I sing well. I imagine make it to be cool. Think again. You see, you may think of me as cool, but in reality, I'm really hot. First of all, these are spatial. This is temporal. So why is time different? Bye bye, see you later if you're streaming. Alright, Biden happy and good luck. No matter what. This is unique. Make it, what do you do? You mean... when? Now or... like when I wake up, walk, or... like doesn't make it walk out, date, etc. I don't walk out, because, well, as I mentioned, it sounds pretentious every single time I say it, I'm fully aware of that. I view my body as temporary. Honestly, I like where science is going, I like where technology is going, and I feel like it's a matter of time before I replace my body. I see workout for just the sake of being strong a waste of time. As a hobby and doing it for fun, I get that. And I respect it when people do it. But what makes a make it? Oh boy, that's a question. Because to date, do I really seem like the kind of person who would date? People don't even know what my, like, what sex or gender I'm attracted to. How much make could a make it make if a make it could make? Ah, we see a make it would make it happen then. Trick question. This one's unique. Next. This is actually a much smaller chapter than I thought. We're not getting into relativity. That's for another video! As much make as make it could make, if make it could make. Make it could make. I make all the time. Make it makes make when make it makes make. Sometimes make it can't make all the make, but you know, then there's not always another make it to pick up the make to make the make. Clear up and efficient. Make it is like make it, but what is the it being made? Boy, now you're asking the real questions. I don't think I have the answer. I would have to check with the make it, the higher up make it's, you know, the make it's in charge. Manager make it may know. I know, maybe. Oh, why is the second cup taste so awful? Oh, the first one was good. The first one was really good. I don't think I had enough milk. Mm-hmm. I'm not funny right now. I know what's going on with me. You know what? Let's vote. What should I do exactly? Let's have a vote. You know what? I like democracy. We have not democracy here in a while. Let's I'm paid to make it must have messed up the coffee. Don't worry, that intern will get fired and then mauled to death in a dark alleyway. That's just how it goes. Research 100% already. Oh, one vote, never mind then. I think that there's infinite motor racing. Precisely! Comes is hilarious. Video games! Oh, I love video games. Video games. What does make it want to do? Oh, I don't trust me, I have the choice. I'm here to stream for people. Listen, I'm a social parasite. I'm here to be loved and adored. You see, I'm a vain narcissist. You know, we'll wait for at least 5 votes to make sure that'll be at least somewhat stable. And in the meantime, we can... I'm watching the stream at double speeds and I'm 1 minute behind. In the bottom left corner, if I'm not mistaken, you have like a grey dot with a live next to it, and you click on that, then the grey dot will turn to red, and then YouTube will fast forward till you'll be live. Allow me to demonstrate. If you're behind, right here you have the grey dot. If you're live, you click on it, it turns to red, and now you're live. Ah! So many make-its! Who's the real one? Who do I shoot? Stop copying me! No, you stop copying me! Make it of the future, what should we do? Oh, that's a good question, make it of the past. You see, what we should... Oh, shut up, you're not the... I'm not the make it of the past, you're the make it of the past. No, I'm not, I'm the make it of the future, you're the make it of the past. Oh, quit copying me, you're the make it of the past, I'm making the future, I'm the future, I'm speaking right now. No, you're not. We're speaking in the past. I was speaking in the future because... No, you're not. I am in the future. You're in the past. No, stop copying me. No. Stop copying me right now because you are wrong. You are talking with the delay because I'm in the future, you're in the past. No, you're talking with the delay, not me. You're the one. I'm done with this guy. Unbelievable. it nice living stack and time paradox. Anyhow, play video games? Is that really what we're doing? Is that really what's gonna win with 3 votes? Damn, I fell off. Should finish this script though. No, don't do one thing. Obviously, I won't do one thing. Obviously, we'll just play a single game down, go back, finish the script, and we'll do 3 animations. For the rest of the stream, do 1/3 research and 2/3 gaming. How am I supposed to measure that? Play a single game and then do that fraction of a... So play a single game, then take the time of that game divided by 3 and do that amount of... Divide by 2, then that amount of research. You know what, that could actually work. That's actually not the worst idea. Oh. Alright. Then we'll play a single game, and then half of that time we'll spend the researching. Relativity. Boy, I keep forgetting. That's what we're doing, isn't it? General relativity. Fun. I keep forgetting that's the thing we need to research. Who was it that decided to make the advanced physics video? Oh, it was me! What an idiot, am I right? Alrighty then. I'm actually scared of relativity. Because I can already tell it's gonna be one of those annoying things. In quantum mechanics, there would be often like chains of equations. What was it? Reactions. Too much chemistry make it. Chains of equations, where basically you had an equation, and in order to understand what that equation meant, you basically had 3 different either characters or like sets of characters you had to understand, and for each one there were another equations that went into it. For example, most recently we had this one in which we tried to understand the momentum of photons, which was a pain. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do half an hour of gaming, community event, work together as a community, the goals reach everyone to help receive specific event reward, collectively eliminate 1,900,000 contestants with new equipment. Recurve bow. Okay, I can do it. I'm actually gonna play with the recurve bow, so that's actually convenient. We're gonna do half an hour of gaming, 15 minutes of researching, which sounds silly, but that's only because of this. Not my fault, I wasn't the one who picked. You know what, we should start each live stream with a poll, actually. Keep it going for like 20 minutes, and then after 20 minutes, we divide the live stream into that specific portion. That would be a good idea. Is the final free to play? Yes, it is. Yes, it is, in fact. But from what I heard, it requires a good PC. I would know because my PC was I built it to render animation, so it handles 3D graphics pretty well. I think built it for this, so. Wait, actually, I got the customs tomorrow. First of all, good luck. Second of all, what kind of chem test? Chemistry. I mean, what kind of chemistry test? Oh, look at this thing. It's about buffers. I have no idea what buffers even are. I haven't gotten to that kind of... I haven't gotten to the standard kind of chemistry yet. I'm stuck on the quantum chemistry. Just even more boring. Well, not boring. It's actually really fun. But it's not useful. Not that much. It goes to like these reactions and whatnot. Oh, I'll have to spend money today. I just realized today I'll actually have to buy some more equipment for the next video. Oh, do I even have the money? Hold on. I mean, I do. It's just that do I even have it in my spending account? I need to transfer. Buffers are like stuff that can be both acids and bases depending on the medium. Oh, that sounds interesting. Would water be a buff? Okay. No, it depends on the medium. Oh, I do. Buff men. Tilly, quit asking about buff men. Quit stealing them away from me. Only I can get all these buff men. Greed. Buff men, only mine. Actually, who voted for research? I'm curious. I'm curious who voted for what. Because I want to sure disappoint as many people. I mean, not disappoint as many people as possible. Are we doing for one or going for two? Because I'm kind of already... Whoa! Make it one to buff man. Hell yeah! Like you don't. Quit pretending like you're better than me. Just because I'm honest with myself. Oh, I'm such a coward, damn it. I am such a coward. And also not warmed up in the slightest. Oh, fudge. Like it's like... Ah, damn it, I was going for the revive. Ah, shucks. Wish they would stop making games good and start making them fun. That's quite a quote. Finals was a fun game. It was a very fun game. Hold on, have you ever heard of Satisfactory? Because it's actually releasing version 1.0 soon enough. Whoops. Oh, huh? Damn it, there was another pest on the roof! What are we doing on the roof? You've got nothing fighting us. Satisfactory is really good. It really is. Apparently it's a favorite game. It is! Satisfactory is great. I love Satisfactory. I'm just waiting for the version 1.0 to release and then I'm gonna do like a big playthrough. I'll try to invite as many people as possible, which is not a lot. I don't know all that many people who play Satisfactory, actually. I know Tefta, and that's actually where it might end. Got it. Whoa! That was mine. Thank you so much. Why are we fighting them? We have to go for B. Did I not hit a single enemy? I got an assist. Well. Be careful. I got him. Oh, gimme. I can drive. Okay. Yeah, I'm dead. Where is it? Play Tower 2 on stream. On Steam. Never mind. I know what Tower 2 is. Well, everything's good right now. Buffer solutions are solutions where an acid exists with its conjugate base ratio of 1 to 10. I never got... Oh, the acids and bases are really uncomfortable for me because I'm used to, like, simple stuff. People always complain about quantum stuff, but truth is, it's actually... Oh my goodness, I'm done. Gimme. No! I mean, I wasn't scared. That was all part of the plan. Alright. Oh, this also works, I suppose. Ah, there was a mine. I'm going to do a special video / stream for 20,000 subscribers. I don't know if we'll even reach 20,000 subscribers. It feels optimistic to plan for it at this point. Acid base tough for me. The reason why acid base is so tough is because acid base is a concept only useful when doing chemistry a lot. It's really useful if you're to like speed everything up for yourself. As in, when you deal with stuff like bases and acids a lot, then it's really convenient to specify them as acids and bases, and then, you know, all the lingo comes into play. But it doesn't have like a... It's not as clear as the quantum stuff. Current chemistry teacher. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Chemistry teachers in high school have a pretty... We're going for D? C. There we go. Yeah. Why are bases called bases? Because they're basic. They're boring. Whoa, my goodness! I I'm quite flabbergasted myself, you know. I feel a bit... They should be alone. Up. How did you pick up? Yeah. What's wrong with me? You're like 100 subs away. Won't happen next day or two. Oh, other side. Oh, Bennett. Oh no. No, it will not. Bennett, this week, net, so if you take all the subscribers I gained, all the subscribers I lost, my net subscribers gain is -1 subscriber this week. So, statistically, it should take me like -2 years to get to 20,000 subscribers. Special relativity, oh no, that's a sign. Okay, now I'm getting it, which is a bit of a shame because I'm getting it really late. We should go for Vault 5. Imagine trying to make it making some noises. Yeah, Rush is getting 20,000 subs in 2 years ago. Thank you, Tilly! Going to use buffers for electrolysis next year for practical. What kind of electrolysis will y'all be doing? That sounds like some pretty advanced electrolysis. And I would know, because electrolysis is like the one thing I did. Yeah, we... Oh, okay, well, that's great. That's splendid. Can I... Oh, why am I lagging so much? Oh, I'm rendering in the background. That's right, I forgot. Yeah, I can only open it, that's it. It won't open this quickly. Sixth place. Hell yeah. Okay, actually, you know what? Let me check. Let me check the stats on this exactly. How many? Let's see. Maybe, because maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm looking for all data. How many subscribers have I gained this week? YouTube Studio. Subscribers. Oh, never mind. Oh, I forgot I uploaded the video. Yeah, videos always gain more subscribers, actually. I've got... Negative 12. Negative 12 subscribers this week. That's not a joke. Hold on. It's clickbait some of the videos. Some of the titles on your channel will explode. Yeah, but like, you know, that's a garbage way to explode. I'm not gonna, like, you know, clickbait stuff. That's kind of like saying, oh, I'm broke. Yeah, you should just steal from people. Well, yeah, you wouldn't be broke anymore, but like, you know. That's pretty funny. This is the last 7 days. 108% less. It's in the negative. Do you think people from Additional Quantum are starting to unsubscribe? I don't really understand why would they, because my content now is better than that video. I actually don't know exactly who's unsubscribing, but people are. All these arrows are going down. Great, it's good. It's good. It's doing wonders for my mental health. So yeah, a lot of people tell me like, oh, you should already have 20,000 by now, or like, how come you don't have 20,000 yet, or you know, when will you have 20,000? All of that is assuming that I will get to 20,000, okay? Which is an optimistic assumption. That's ballsy. That's really ballsy. People also tell me that I should make more videos like the additional quantum mechanics, and like, yeah, I'm working on it, just that they take a long time to make. Additional quantum mechanics took me a month, with no other uploads.
Alright, the Vogues, the Jet Setters, the Shock and Awe, and finally, the High Notes. The stage is set, it's showtime!
Dum, 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 dum.
As the rain pours down, our contestants will have to leave their opponents high and dry.
Looks like
I just need to make more videos, and I just need to wait for that one which will explode.
contestants will want to leave the station though.
Right, good one. Be careful of that mine.
The High Notes grabbed a cash box.
Oh, you could give me the cash box actually, I am quicker. Way, way quicker.
And there we go. First team wipe on the board.
The High Notes are all fired up. We started our first cash out.
The videos are to save. Make a nuclear bomb. I've made a bucket of sulfuric acid! What do you want from me? What do you mean to save? I made a bucket of sulfuric acid. If that's to save, I don't know if I want to make too dangerous. Oh yeah, that also works, I suppose.
Back in action.
Got him. Okay.
Team wiped.
How to become highly seductive like me in 3 easy steps. I should make courses, you're right. On how to be as hot and charismatic and sexy. But I don't know if I think that's just pure talent actually. I don't know if I could teach this. Let's thermite this. Let's thermite this.
A contestant is dishing out some destruction.
Let's smoke screen. And now we can actually watch from above. Am I becoming a sniper? Oh no!
Our first cash out goes to the High Notes. Let's see whether they can keep that momentum going. The Jet Setters are back in play.
No! Got him! Oh fudge, that was an awful laugh. Give me.
Shoot for cash out D.
I'm a light, just... I'm quick, trust me. No? We don't... Fine.
The Jet Setters have landed at Vault 4. This is no swan song. The High Notes have started a cash out.
Placing a turret.
There are some trees. Do if it does like Polish twing explains math as Mr. to sleep to. Yeah, but then now I have to find a Polish twink. And they are not cheap. Trust me, I know. There we go. Oh, they absolutely did expect it. How about that, huh? Oh, you can fire through this. Good to know.
Enemy spotted! Up there!
They would ASMR get my messages deleted by YouTube. Because it's too hot.
Great cloud out! The jet setters will need to reboot. Team wiped.
Hopefully they bought a return ticket back from that wipeout.
We are gaming. To be fair, no one really seriously attacked us yet, because two teams are just lacking it, person.
The arena today. Shouts and commotion. A real treat for the viewers.
They might have to start adding extra zeros to the scoreboard.
Oh wow, a sneaky steal by the shock and awe.
Yup.
Cash out steal denied. Clutch play out there in the arena.
Tum, 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 tum.
The high notes seem to be extorting a vault. The shock and awe bankroll cash out complete.
Oh, this is gonna be cool. Hold on. Oh, this is gonna be such a cool play. Look at this.
And there's another vault available for our cash hungry teams.
That's pointless and dumb. Alright.
The high notes got hold of a cash box.
Throw away your physics textbooks. Hold on to your chairs. Things are about to move a bit differently. Clear.
Fans might just be off the shock and awe as they're opening the vault. I'm going in there.
No, get back here, boy. Where you going?
A reminder that our contestants will not experience any muscle atrophy or skeletal deterioration
Okay.
in the gravity event. It's all fun getting to the arena.
I can't. There we go. I can release.
Okay, let's go. The shock and awe got the cash box. We just entered the last 30 seconds of the
Are you from Eastern or Western Poland? I don't know. I don't know. I never really bothered with geography. No, why would you? You're unbelievable. I couldn't release, yeah. I was too... I was just, you know, heat of the moment. Oh boy, this is gonna be a fun one to defend.
Look out. The jet setters are back. Look out. 30 seconds left, June. I'm on the edge of my seat here.
Every move counts.
And we're still gonna win.
You won't believe this news. The shock and awe house is wiped out.
10 seconds.
The zipline shot was actually sick. All my shots are actually sick. I'm just cool. I was just born that way. There we go, now we got more votes pouring in. Ali, hi, how you doing? Hi there, Ali, hi. Oh, why is the second one taste so awful? First one was good. Research 33. Alright, well now the research is matching video games, we'll have to stop this one after this game. And then go do some research, make an animation, finish the script. When gym with one of my classmates yesterday today, I'm sore, I have head. Good for you though. That's impressive.
Now, the live wires, the shock and awe, the kingfish, and finally, the high notes. The arena's calling.
And the Monday too is really nice. Ooh, he's really nice, you say? What's his name? I'm all for gossiping. Maintaining the process of maintaining a specific pH is crucial for optimal performance. Buffers help maintain a stable pH during English courses. I did not know that, and I was making a low pH thing using electrolysis, so I guess I should have known that. ChatGPT first time today to check all my papers wrote. How was it? Yeah, absolutely. This way. Oh yeah. Back here. Oh, I regret my life choices.
Started our first cash out.
Probably Batman, that's why. You have no idea. Cover on sentences, yeah, it's really useful.
Surprise!
A crushing first team wipe just unfolded.
And all ran into a different
Reloading!
kind of overwhelming power. There,
Yeah, Ali is stealing all of that cool hunky man from me. It's mean. Well, I regret having done that. Whoa, 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 let's talk about this. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about this, okay? How about we... Can we just talk and resolve our differences? Fudge! I missed every single shot. He's 27, so as close to middle-aged I'd go. As a white woman once said,
The live wires are taking charge for now.
it takes a whole middle-aged man to be a daddy. Alright.
roll out, hit cash out A.
Not B, B is closer. But B is right here.
The shock and awe lead the cash out.
Buddy, you're going for A. B is right here. Buddy! My friend! My dearest friend! My teammate! My beloved... No? Well, that's kind of annoying, because it's right there. Where are we going? Elderly buff, man.
The live wire is cast out. Bandit palm out.
Whoa. It's gonna be going up. They're going up. Ah, hammer. That was a hammer. That was a hammer. Also, make it. I introduce you to some hot buff guys if you want to visit. Oh, well, I mean, I don't want to visit, but if you can introduce me to hot buff guys, I might reconsider. How hot we talking? I hate buff men. They make it away from me. Can you really blame me though? We went from buffers to buff men. It's a natural way to progress at child checkups. Yes, you might have. No, I have good taste. Yeah, I know. I do know.
No time to run and get snacks, viewers. Charge for cash out deal.
Oh, this is gonna be silly. Let's go for it. It's gonna be so silly. It's gonna be so silly. I damaged them. I did damage. I fired a bow and arrow twice and hit. Cause thank you. Whoa. I'm not doing that again. They stole my goddamn friend. Suck it. No. Oh boy, that was ballsy. Wowz. This mine. That was what it was. Was a. Boom boom floor trap mine was there. Good. No. Good. I'm good. I'm fine. I'm just sipping on my coffee. Caffeine.
The kingfish made an awesome steal there. This might burn.
Okay, we have to be quick. This quick. Yeah. Okay, I'm out. Go away! Run! Save yourself! Actually, you know what? Doesn't matter. I will save you. That's annoying. Suck it! Suck it! Run from real life! Oh, yes, I love my grappling hook. There are many like it, but this one is mine. Okay. Research is winning a poll. It is. It really is. I think something would be that way sometimes. Well, yeah. I mean, in this case, 7-year difference isn't bad. You know. Sharks! Oh, I am amazing. Oh my goodness, I'm so amazing. I sometimes forget just how awesome I am. Oh, I sometimes forget just how absolutely outstanding I am. And great and... grateful and graceful and I would think just straight up top notch. I don't care how often you kill my teammates, I will revive them. There. No dying on. You're gonna die if I fucking let you, right? Okay. Never mind. Never mind. Oh gosh, dang it, this again? Never mind. Huh, that's a good idea. No, still, why would you? I'm invisible! Oh, that was one of the dumbest matches. Oh, I'm feeling so high on energy right now. Oh, I'm feeling so alive. Is this what happiness feels like? Boy, this stuff is good. Oh yeah, after this we're going straight to research. I'm feeling... Well, relax is not the word. Quite the opposite. Excited. There we go. Boy, right. We're playing against heavy, medium. Bone arrow will be solid. We have to focus then the heavies. I sure am glad go straight from the finals to research. Okay, if the viewership falls below 4, I'm ending the stream right away because that is just the sign that the research is not working out. And then I'm gonna research the relativity off stream. I wanna keep this entertaining.
The shock and awe versus the high notes. It's game time, folks.
Here we go, Chelsea. 2
Yep, we're gonna fold one
for the top spot.
precisely.
Reaches 20,000 will be crowned the winner.
No one knows the rules quite like I do.
Oh, was this sudden like a will they one day between June and Scotty? There is so much happening. I'm stuck. I'm properly and actually. I'm no. Oh. Hold on. There we go.
Okay, let's go. Defend on B.
Fighting against two heavies, that's ballsy. Come on, I believe in you. You can do it. There's no health. Last one was remaining. Me? Ballsy? Okay, well, this is awkward. This is quite awkward. This is awkward. My goodness, this is so awkward. I can't re-revive them because there's a heavy chasing me. What's this game? What's a game? It's the finals. It's the finals. Alright. Okay, well, they got wiped. It didn't help really, but interesting. Yeah, don't worry, right after this we're going for research because it won the poll. Here we go. This actually really is smooth, isn't it? Going straight from the finals to relativity. Oh, give me... No, no! Okay, 75.
Go for cash out station A.
I'm thinking where they'll go. In a second, we'll go for A. Oh, that's just swell. Okay, that also works, I suppose. Oh, healing beam, ouchie.
Revive, cover me. Taking damage.
How's it gonna work? We have 7 and 16 seconds.
The mine.
And we have to take this, otherwise we lose. One heavy, but they will also go back. Yup, now there's 2 heavies. Now I'm gonna need to go up. That was a dumb back. That was a dumb play of me. That was pretty silly. Well, oh, pretty exposed.
Reloading. Explosive mindset. Deploying a surprise. I'm
Have to go straight for the steal. Yeah.
Defibrillating.
Yeah, no. Well, second place ain't too bad. Anyhow, now it's time to switch from the finals to the research. Festive. Thanks for the game, it was swell. Highest support. Assist survivors and objectives, all highest. Cool. Main menu and quit. What are you researching? Oh, yeah, I should have specified, shouldn't I? Well, today I have a video to make soon for which I'm completely well, not completely unprepared. I am unprepared for the meat and potatoes of it. So the thing which we'll be researching today is physics, but the fun kind of physics. Today we'll go for... Maybe I should say learning instead of researching. I don't know, researching maybe seems... Well, it is research. Today we're going for... Isn't it modern? Relativity, there we go. General relativity. Crowell, because that's the only one. Nice. Well, define nice. I've already been over the first couple. Yeah, we've been over the third one. Mostly looking for the equations, because... Okay. That's the problem with researching on stream, isn't it? I have to be entertaining, but at the same time, you know, it's relativity. It's extremely boring when researching. Do you also want to make a video about all of quantum mechanics? All the math for quantum mechanics, not really all of quantum mechanics. All of quantum mechanics, it's... Making a video about all of any kind of physics is a bit problematic, I would say. No, physics anti-bias perspective. Well, I'm having some... Hold on. Music, first of all. Most important. Pause. Open multiple files. And there we go. Research in quantum computing is very cool. I'm attending a summer school about it. Quantum computing, I don't know, people have been trying to convince me to make videos about quantum computers for a while now, but I don't see anything all that curious in them. Okay, let's try to learn geometric context. By the way, what learn is just causality. That's all the background for this, causality. That's it. Two-dimensional spaces following axioms are two-dimensional operations which can be carried with composite in like. Okay, 2 points them in line segments can be extended, unique circle can be constructed given any point at its center and any line segment as radius. Makes sense so far. All right angles are equal to one another because they're right angles. Parallel postulate, given a line and a point not on the line, no more than one line can be drawn to the point and parallel to the given line. Okay. Given a point, given a line, and a point non-line, no more than one line can draw a point parallel. Yeah, because you have an infinite set of parallel lines, but only one will be on that point. Makes sense. Okay. Believe them to be improve hazards about physical reality. For example, they consider the fifth postulate to be less obvious than the first four because in order to verify physically two lines were parallel, one would theoretically have to extend them to an infinite distance and make sure that they never crossed. In the first 28 theorems of elements, proposition that based on postulate, the more general geometry defined by omitting parallel postulate is known as absolute geometry. Okay, so fifth is an additional one. The problem with the fifth one, you need extended infinity. Makes sense. Okay. What kind of geometry is likely to be applicable in general relativity? We can see immediately that Euclidean geometry or even absolute geometry would be far too specialized. We have in mind description of the events that are points in both space and time. Confining ourselves to ease of visualization to one dimension of space, we can certainly construct a plane described by coordinates t and x. Yes, okay. When posing is postulated the plane result in physical nonsense. Space and time are physically distinguishable from one another, but postulates 3 and 4 describe geometry in which distance measured along non-parallel axes are comparable, and figures may be freely rotated without affecting true or false with a statement about them. This is only appropriate for a physical description of different space-like direction, as in x and y plane, which is okay, makes sense. So that's actually quite lovely, I would say. Because I've just been scripting this video on the beginning, and we scripted this precise segment about why time is different. And what this basically says is that because time is different, it can't be, it's a temporal dimension, right? It has to be different from the spatial ones. We need to throw most of the specialized parameters in geometry with both, since we distribute our geometry by minimum, we can go back to build differences in the equipment that will better suit the relativity. Okay, so we're on geometry, ordered geometry. I should open up my notebook, shouldn't I? Yes, I should. There we go. So, let me close the window because all sorts of nasty stuff crawling in. Is docs better than words? You mean Google Docs is better than? I mean, I like Google Docs because it just updates online, and so I don't have to save anything, which is always there. Google Docs is better. It depends on what you need. I just really like Google Docs because, like, I just need the basic functionality, so all the fancy stuff that Google Docs has to offer, I don't care about them. I just really like the fact that it's, you know, safe. When is editing gonna become editing wars? When we're done with editing. Geometry or geometry was developed around geometry doesn't have global all-encompassing. When Betty goes on a trip, she traces a particular path in space events. Order geometry works. Points can be put in definite order along any particular line, but not along different lines. Of the 4 primitive concepts, point, line, circle, and angle, only the non-metrical notions of point and line are relevant in our geometry. In a geometry without any measurement, there is no concept of measuring distance. ABC indicates the event B lies on the line segment joining A and C and is strictly between them. Okay, 2 events determine line. Line segments can be extended. Given A and B, there's at least one event just ABC is true. Lines don't wrap around. If ABC is true, then BCA is false. Okay, between us, for any 3 distinct events, A, B, and C lying on the same line, we can determine whether or not B is between A and C. Okay. So we have why. First, I feel like swell question. And first we're gonna have Euclid's geometry, which is axioms of 2 points determine line. Line segments can be extended. A unique circle can be constructed given any point as its center and any line segment as its radius. Not radium. Through democratic means, we should have put in order. No, who voted for play video games? I just started. Does anyone have a book recommendations for studying quantum physics slash quantum mechanics? Oh my goodness, yes I do. Oh yes, I so very much do. It's called Libertex Bookshelves. It's called Physics Libertex Bookshelves. And right there, this is the... Actually, Fowler and Fitzpatrick. Those are the two I used for my videos. So if you'd like to learn what I did, then... Hold on, my taskbar is broken. It's great. So if you'd like to learn what I did, then I strongly recommend this one Fitzpatrick, this one Fowler. Forgot we had LibreText. Oh, our Lord and Savior, LibreText. Cool. Okay, so this is Euclid's geometry with the axioms. Now it's time for the problem. The problem being, it's not. It won't. Wait, why am I walk? Oh, no. It's too specialized for relativity. But then we're gonna have ordered, which has axioms of the links don't work for me. Do they really not? Yeah, you could also just look it up, that's true. Axioms. Two events determine a line. Line segments can be extended. True, okay, two events determine a line can be expanded. So we have A, B, and then from that you extend C. Makes sense so far. Lines don't wrap around. If ABC is true, then BCA is false. Makes sense. If I have an apple, then take an apple, then eat an apple, then I ate an apple because I took it, because I had it. But if I but based on the same thing, we can't just wrap it around, which means I can't have an apple because I ate it. I can't just take an apple because I ate it because I had it. Okay, that's wrong because of mirror. It doesn't matter. You'll get what I mean. Events A, B, and C line on the same line. We can determine oh, that's my alarm. It's busy to show the conjugal dogs. I'm not sure, given that I don't use dogs all often. I mean, use what? I use dogs all the time because I also know the shortcuts. It's also convenient. I just love them. I sleep in free. This one is unique. Okay. Okay, makes sense. Express the same idea as Euclid E1, E2, no lines. Encroachment of the yes. Lines are going to describe as natural steel chain. And 0304 then say that the order of the links is well defined, but 03 no 4 have physical significance for lines describing causality. 03 forbids time travel paradoxes, like going back in time, killing our own grammar as a child. The figure above illustrates why violations of 3 is referred to as closed time-like curve. 04 says that events are guaranteed to have well-defined cause and effect order, only if they lie in the same line. It's completely different from the other expressed in your swim statement. Absolute true and mathematical time of itself and from its own nature flows without regard to anything external. For any reason, containment on all the B's between A and C. In 3, this ordering is unique except for overall reversal from CBA. Units made by a authority of a system of geometry without any notion of measurement. You may be more appalled to learn that even a system as weak as order geometry makes some statements that are too strong to be completely correct as a foundation for relativity. Oh, good to know. For example, if an observer falls into a black hole, at some point he will reach a central point of density called singularity. At this point, his chain of cause and effect terminates, violating O2. Line segments can be extended given. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Also, an open question with a O3's prohibition on time loops actually holds in general relativity. Playfully named chronology projection conjecture. We'll also see that general relativity or 1 is almost always true, but there are exceptions. Okay, good. Problem. C. Plural this time. Usually you start a topic when you find a helper. In this case, no. In this case, I'm a big boy by now. I can figure this out. Probably, hopefully. 1 is true. Unless it isn't. 02 breaks if you jump into a black hole. 03 still questioned. Hawking's chronology protection conjecture. That's a good name. There we go. So cool. We took Euclid's geometry. We took away all of the specifics to create something much more general, and that something much more general is still too specific. Got it. What physical impression should we give to the lines covering all the geometry? Galileo described an experiment, which he may or may not perform, in which he simultaneously dropped a cannonball and basketball from a tower, 2 objects in the ground, simultaneously disproving as to the assertion that objects fell as the weights. On the graph of space-time with x and t axis, the curve traced by 2 objects called the word lines, identical parabolas. The balls to x minus y minus z space are straight, not curved. One explains observation is that what we call mass is really 2 separate things, which happen to be equal. Inertial mass, which appears in Newton's as A is equal to Fm, describes how difficult it is to accelerate. Gravitational mass describes the string in which gravity acts. Oh, that's cool! Oh, hell yeah! Funky stuff. Mass. I will call it once to return to God and something about master, also Hong Kong weird. Cool. Oh, and we're dropping like flies. Now we're down to 4 people. Remember what I said if we're gonna drop to 4 people? I'm gonna end the stream soon. That's so long! Oh no, it's not. I should do a whole separate stream for general relativity, actually. Yeah, I think that's it. We're dropping like flies out of the air. be leaving anytime soon. Please don't end. Really? Happen. Fine, we'll go for a little bit longer. Okay, so we have two different masses. Gravitational mass describes the strength with which gravity acts. Mass. Mass can be divided into two masses. The inertial mass, how hard it move something. The gravitational mass, how hard it impacts gravity. No one's want to make it believe except his morals. Yeah. As the counter has more gravitational mass than a basketball, the force of gravity is acting 100 times greater, but the inertial mass is precisely 100 times greater, so the two cancel out. Same exerting the special property of the gravitational force. Electrical forces, for example, would not behave this way. The force an object experiences an electric field is proportional to its charge resistant rate to its inertial mass. So different charges will generate different motions. Okay. Makes sense actually. A lot of sense. The special property of the gravitational force made it possible to describe gravity in purely geometrical terms. We defined the word lines of small objects acting on gravity be the lines described by the axioms of geometry. Linked lines described by geometry and skin as straight lines. This amounts to the definition of what it means the line to be straight. By analogy, imagine stretching a piece of string across the globe, as we might do in order to plan an airplane flight or aim a directional radio antenna. The string may not appear straight when viewed from three-dimensional Euclidean space, in which the globe is embedded, but it is as straight as possible in the sense that its path followed by a radio wave. When bound is level and really straight. The word line of an object force is not considered to be straight line in the sense of all necessary line referring lines around geodesics. Okay, so redefining straight, I like it, because when is this basically when space-time curves, straight line would be in the curve space-time? I'm guessing a complete guesstimate. Deep physical importance of statement 01, which is two events determine line. Okay. There's no image. Oh, there is no image. Why didn't you tell me? There we go. So, this right here is redefining basically line. Right here you have about two different masses. We can now see the physical importance of statement 01, that two events determine line. To predict trajectory of golf ball, we need some initial data. For example, we could measure event A when the ball breaks contact with the club, and event B an infinitesimal time after A. This pair of observation can be thought of as fixing the ball's initial position and velocity, which should be enough to predict the unique world line for the ball. Since relativity is a deterministic theory, with this interpretation, we can also see why it's not necessarily a disaster for the theory if 01 fails sometimes. For example, event A could mark the launching of two satellites in the circular orbits from the same place on Earth, heading in opposite directions, and B could be their subsequent collision on the opposite side of the planet. Although this violates 01, it doesn't violate determinism. Determinism only requires the validity of one well, events infinitesimally close together. Even for randomly chosen events far apart, the probability that will violate 01 is 0. Okay, 01 needs to be only for infinitesimal thing. Makes sense, okay. So far, kind of. It was experiments, cool. Einstein's entire system breaks down if there is any violation, no matter how small, of the proportionality between inertial and gravitational mass, and it therefore becomes very interesting to search experimentally for such a violation. For example, we might wonder when the neutrons and protons had slightly different ratios of gravitational and inertial mass. That's a curious idea. Which kind of style experiment will cause a small difference between the acceleration of a lead weight a large neutron to proton ratio, and a wooden one, which contains light elements with nearly equal numbers of protons and neutrons. The first high-precision experiment of this type for by Earths around 10 of the 20th century, and they verified the equivalence of inertial and gravitational mass to within 1 part in 10 to the 8th. Equivalence of inertial... Okay, so equivalence. So they're equivalent. I'm coding these experiments. Charge of the experiment allowed this to be 1 part in 1012. Top panel is a simplified version. The platform is balanced. Gravitational mass of the objects are observed to be equal. Objects are made of different substances. If the equivalent initial gravitational mass fails to hold these two substances, then the force of gravity on each mass will not be exact portion of its inertia, and platform will experience slight torque as the Earth spins. Bottom panel, which was a more realistic drawing, there is no bottom panel. I think this was supposed to be the bottom panel. Hold on. I'm having trouble finding the bottom panel. Move all these. Oh, I cannot. Boy, that's a lot of data. Basically should be this, except with a B. Simple enough, in theory. Is there a difference, or is it just... If I change it to C. If I change it to C, then it disappears, which means, yeah, this is the image. What's the difference? Can you some upper make it? I will. Actually, that's a good idea. Whole thing was encased in the tall vacuum tube, which was placed in the basement, whose temperature was controlled to within 0.02 degrees Celsius. The total mass of the platinum and aluminum test masses, plus tungsten wire, and the balance was only 4.4. To detect tiny motion, the laser beam was bound off a mirror attached to a wire. There was so little friction that the balance would have taken off on order of several years to come down. Solar friction that the balance would have taken on order of several years to come down completely after being put in place. To stop these vibrations, static electrical forces were applied through two circular plates to provide very gentle twist on the episodial mass between them. In the 45 years since running the plan of work, improvements have been made to, in more direct experiments, test the principle, in which the test mass is simply freefall. Less of experiments of this type has given bound of 10 to negative 9 on the new experiment in orbit as time this to 10 to negative 14. Okay, so protons and neutrons have the same, appear to have the same gravitational and inertial mass because of some really outstanding tests. One consequence of experimental results is that it's not possible to tell the difference between acceleration and gravitational field. Certain times during a field trip, she feels herself pressed against her seat. This is evidence that she is in a space vessel that is undergoing violent accelerations and decelerations, but it's equally possible that Turbot has simply arranged for a capsule to be hung from a rope and dangled into the gravitational field of a planet. So the first explanation is correct. The capsule is initially at rest in outer space, but there's no gravity. Betty can release a pencil and a lead ball in the air inside the cabin. They will stay in the same place. The capsule then accelerates, and to Betty, who has adopted a frame of reference tied to this deck, seeing on walls, it appears the pencil and the ball fall the deck. They are guaranteed to stay side by side till they hit the deck plates because in fact they're accelerating. They simply appear to accelerate when in reality deck plates going up. And okay, yeah. So, frame of reference. Is even math? Oh yeah, physics. Yeah, it's physics. I'm certain we'll get to math soon, don't worry. This is the introduction. Accelerations and gravitational fields are equivalent. There is no experiment that can distinguish from one from another. Okay, so right here, pretty important, equivalence principle. Accelerations and gravitational fields are equivalent. There is no experiment that can distinguish to see what a radical departure this is, we need to compare with the completely different picture presented by Newton in physics and special relativity. Newton's law of inertia states that every object preserves its state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless it's compelled to change it by a state by forces impressed in theorem. Okay. Newton's intention here was to clearly state a contradiction of Aristotelian physics in which objects were supposed to naturally stop moving and come to rest in the absence of force. For Aristotle, at rest means at rest relative to F, which represented a special frame of reference. But if motion doesn't naturally stop on its own accord, then there is no longer any way to single out one frame of reference, the one time to F, as being special. Okay. An equally good frame of reference is car driving in a straight line down the road at constant speed. The F and car both represent a valid inertial frames of reference, in which Newton's law of inertia is valid. On the other hand, there are other non-inertial frames of reference in which the law of inertia is violated. For example, if the car decelerates suddenly, it appears that people in the car as if their bodies are being jerked forward, even though there's no physical object could be force on them. Distinction between inertial and non-inertial frames of reference is carried over by Einstein into his theory of special relativity. Alright. Okay, stop now, it's for viewers. Now we want me to stop. Now we're getting into the good stuff. Law of inertia is valid, but now we're on the verified law of inertia holds. We have to check that an observer theta frame doesn't see accelerating for no reason. Trouble here by the equivalence principle. There's no way to determine whether the object is accelerating for no reason or because of gravitational force. Betty, for example, cannot tell by any local measurement whether she is an inertial or non-inertial frame. Okay. There is no way to tell if something is an inertial or a non-inertial frame, since it could be waiting for no reason, or it could be gravity. I think sleepy is sleepy. Make no instead. For example, if Betty was allowed to look at the portal, she could have tried to tell when the horizon was accelerating relative to the stars. Even this possibility ends up not being satisfactory. The stars in our galaxy are moving in a circular orbit around the galaxy, or an even larger scale, the universe is expanding. The Big Bang. It spent about the first half of its history decelerating due to gravitational attraction, but the expansion is now observed to be accelerating, apparently due to poorly understood phenomenon referred to by the cultural term dark energy. In general, there is no distinct background of physical object in the universe that is not accelerating. Alright. The conclusion is that we need to abandon the entire distinction between Newton-style inertial and non-inertial frames of reference. The best that we can do is to single out certain frames of reference defined by the motion of objects and not subject to non-gravitational forces. Falling rock defines such a frame of reference. In this frame, rock is at rest and the ground is accelerating. The rock's wall line is a straight line, constant using varying t's. Free-falling frame of reference is called Lorentz frame. Frame of reference defined by a rock sitting at a table is an inertial frame of reference according to Newton's law, but it's not Lorentz frame. Okay, so Dark energy implies the existence of light energy. I don't think that's how implication works. Red apples don't imply the existence of purple apples. Define motion. Preferable because they make motion simple. Objects no force acting on them move along straight wall lines. Lens frames occupy a privileged position in general relativity because they make motion simple. Objects move along straight wall lines. They have no non-gravitational forces acting on them. Apsidasium goes up and down. Its ratio of gravitational to initial mass is apparently negative. If such a substance could be found, it would falsify the equivalence principle. Oh, that's curious. Variational device actually built by Howard Princeton. Next demonstration to be used. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna call it for now. It's been 2 hours, that's a long live stream. But we're gonna do a whole separate stream sometime in the future just to research this. So yeah. I suppose for now, that'll be it. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.